I'm Lynn, and this is my memory strategy video. We use the text Psychology, A Concise Introduction, in which Chapter 5 talks all about memory. And after looking through our text and our glossary, there was no definite definition for memory, so I looked to Google. Google defines memory by the faculty by which the mind stores and remembers information. I also looked on to dictionary.com for another definition. Dictionary.com defines memory as this faculty as possessed by a particular individual. In Chapter 6 of our text, we learned about Gardner's 8 intelligences. They are listed here, but today specifically I'm going to be talking about bodily kinesthetic intelligence, which has to do with skill in body movement and handling objects. And it's me again. So I am a visual learner and a bodily kinesthetic learner. So using this strategy, I'm going to teach you the phases of cell division. So we can begin learning the phases. The first phase is interphase, in which chromosomes are copied or doubled. The second phase is prophase. This is when mitosis begins and centrioles appear on opposite ends of the cell with spindle fibers. The third phase is metaphase. The chromatids, or pairs of chromosomes, attach to spindle fibers and line up in the middle of the cell. The fourth phase is anaphase. This is when the chromatids separate and move towards opposite ends of the cell. The fifth phase is telophase. 2 new nuclei start to form and mitosis ends. And finally, cytokinesis is when the cell membrane moves inwards to create 2 new daughter cells. To represent interphase, we are going to clasp our hands together with our fingers interlocked to represent the chromosomes being copied. For prophase, we're just going to slightly separate our palms to represent the cells beginning to divide for prophase, while keeping our fingers interlocked. For metaphase, we will just lift our fingers, still keeping them together. This is just to represent the lining of the chromatids in the middle. For anaphase, we are going to pull apart to represent the chromatids separating and moving to opposite ends of the cell. For telophase, I tuck my thumbs in while keeping my palms flat to represent the 2 new nuclei forming. And for cytokinesis, we are just going to enclose our palms into fists to represent the 2 new daughter cells. And we're done. And this is how it should all look together. Interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and cytokinesis. And again, this is just another view. I hope that you were able to gain something from this video, whether I exposed you to a new way to study or memorize new information, or you learned about cell division. Thank you for your time.